Let me explain you some statistical procedure that how do you achieve those statistical procedure using SAS. So first in that series is PROCREG regression analysis. So how do you do that? And specifically how do you get the intercept, coefficient of determination, regression coefficients, how do you get the residual plot, the plot of the data, how do you derive equation from the output. So let me show it to you. So for that, what we will do, we will use the student data itself. It had height and weight, and we are using plots particularly. Plots gives you the especially the plot of these equations. So let me just show it to you. You are saying procreg data equal to whatever is the data set name. In model, what you are saying, this is a dependent variable, this is the independent variable. You could have given more than that here, in fact, but right now we are just running on one variable. So let's see how does it go. So when you run it like this, it has produced the model. It is saying it has used 20 observations. It is giving you analysis of variance, the p-value. It is giving you the coefficient parameter estimate. So this is your intercept and this is your height. So in one sense it is saying your equation is like minus 143.16 plus 3.90238 into height, it can predict the weight. So, and it has also given you the plot of the residual, right? It has given you residual plot. It has also given you, like when you are setting equation, how your confidence interval is going on. So if you obviously it is like it is quite like slim here, but here it is spreading because that's how it goes. In case of regression, you are much more confident to predict around mean, but as you go, your confidence interval actually like becomes like little, your interval lower and upper estimate actually becomes little bigger. So it has given you all those things, and the complete model, the R square, here it has given you R square. R also it has given you, it is positive. So this is R square and it has given you R. Let me show you where do you get the R. It actually produces R. I'm just struggling to find where it is. The relationship is positive. You can't actually make out that from R square. You have to actually take a look at R value. Let me stop it somewhere. So anyway, it looks like there is nowhere that you can find R here, but still you can take a look that this coefficient is positive, which means as height is increasing, weight will increase. So R, in this case, R, it will be the square root of this, which will be whatever. But all said and done, you can say that there is a positive relationship here, and you are getting the equation, intercept, everything by running procreg. In the command, like when you have multiple variable, independent variable, you will put here is the place for the dependent variable.